Hello everyone, it's Webtech Guide once again, and in this video I am going to show you how to back up and restore your WordPress website. In case you're having any virus on your website, you don't get to lose your website, so you can always back it up and restore it. So let's get into this video. So to back up your website, let us use this website as an example. This website, it can be any website. It works for all websites that are hosted by WordPress. So let's go to the dashboard and let us install a plugin called the Updraft plugin. Go to plugins and click on add new. So search for the Updraft plugin. So here is the plugin. Just click on the first one that you see and install now. After installing the plugin, you have to activate it. Alright, so our plugin has been activated. So let us press here to start or go to settings. Alright, so we can manually back up our website, or we can automatically back up our website. So for example, I want to back up this website, and all you need to do is to click on backup now and make sure that everything is ticked and click here. So just wait for some time for this to finish backing up. So when your website has finished backing up, you get this message, and it might take time depending on the size of your website and how big your website is, including the files and everything. So you can see here that the website has been backed up. Is the size of the website. And so let's say after backing up your website, you mistakenly deleted something, or you made a mistake and you are trying to correct it. So let's say let's check the website. So this is it, and let's say I mistakenly deleted the home page, and I don't know how to go about it again. So do I have to redesign the home page, or what do I need to do? So it's very easy. So let me just put this into practice, and let me just delete the home page. Let me refresh this page. You can see the home page is gone. Okay, so if you made a mistake like this, or you made any kind of mistake, maybe your website is experiencing an error, or some pages got deleted, or some posts got deleted, it is very easy. So all you need to do is to go back to the plugin, or you can go to settings. Here you can locate the plugin here, just click on it and scroll down, then click on restore and make sure that everything is marked, then click on next. Now it is preparing the backup, then click on restore. So you are going to wait for some time for this to finish installing. Okay, so the restore is successful, the restoration is successful. Now let us go back to the dashboard. As you can see, the home page is back. Now if you are experiencing any error on your website, this is a perfect plugin to use. And let's say, what if you forget to manually back up your website? Maybe you forgot to back it up, and then you are working, you have made a lot of changes, and your website crashed, so you didn't have the backup. Then that is pretty easy to do. All you need to do is to set an automatic backup for your website, and to do this, go to settings, and you see this you can set this every 2 hours, 4 hours, depending on how you are working, so that you won't experience any error on your website. And even if you do, you can easily restore the backup. So let me set this for weekly, and these two weekly. then let me set this to 4 and 4. So you can select any of these, you can back up on any of these, but for me I will use the Google Drive because it is the easiest. I don't want to use the FTP. Okay, so let me just choose this and Google Drive folder. So we are going to sign in with our Google account. Don't worry, it is 100% safe and secured. Just sign in with your Google account and click on it. So click on allow. Okay, you get this page and just click on complete setup. Alright, we have backed it up. We have set an automatic backup on our Google Drive account. Let me do it again. Weekly, then this is 4 and this is 4 and Google Drive. Scroll down and save changes. The changes have been saved already, so we can easily back up the website and restore it whenever there's any issue. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this.